for CS50W, a front-end clone for the Google search with the standard search, advanced search, and image search. This here is the index page or the standard search page, and on the upper right we have two links to go to the image search and advanced search. Clicking on these links will take us to the respective pages with a link to go back to the index page. And now, as for the standard search, if I am to type anything like, let's say, cat, and press Google search, it will show me results for cats like this. But if I am to, like, if I want to directly open the first search result without the normal page, let's say I want to go directly to the Harvard website, so I will write Harvard and press I'm feeling lucky, and it should take me to the website directly. As you can see here, it directly opened the website. Now, as for the image search, let's say we want to look for the images of flower, and it will open image results for flower. As you can see, it directly opened the image search results. Now, about the advanced search. Now this, let's say we want machine learning with artificial intelligence, and it should not be like, let's say, for beginners, and let's say maybe Python should be included as well, and advanced search. And there we have it, CS50's introduction to artificial intelligence with Python. So that's for the demo. Now, as for the styling, as you can see, the index page has consistency with the Google's own style with the search bar and the buttons. The advanced search also has the consistent styling as well. I hope you like this, and bye bye.